I think we'll go ahead and get started. Welcome back to PyOhio 2025. First, the important stuff. We want PyOhio to be a safe and welcoming place for people to be able to learn and grow. To ensure that, we have a code of conduct. In order to participate in PyOhio activities, you must adhere to this code of conduct. Please review it at pyohio.org/conduct. If at any point you are being harassed, witness someone else being harassed, or have other concerns about conduct, please contact conference staff. You may find a staff member wearing an orange staff lanyard and a red staff ribbon on their badge, or you can send an email to conduct@pyohio.org. You will be connected with a trained member of our response team, and the contact information is on the PyOhio website, and it is in your program guide. While in PyOhio event spaces, attendees are expected to follow our health and safety guidelines at all times. Please review it at pyohio.org/health-and-safety. We require everyone to wear masks that cover the mouth and nose at all times, with limited exceptions, including while you are speaking or while you are eating and drinking. Attendees who are unwilling to comply with the mask requirement will be asked to leave. As supplies permit, we have masks available at registration for those who need them. If you begin to feel unwell or you test positive for COVID-19, you are required to immediately withdraw from the conference, and we would greatly appreciate it if you could email safety@pyohio.org so that we can, while respecting your privacy, advise attendees to take appropriate precautions. Please respect others' boundaries for physical distancing and report any issues to safety@pyohio.org. So photography, we love photos. However, red lanyards mean no photos. So make sure any photos you share do not include anyone wearing a red lanyard. We've made it clear that it's possible they will end up in photos, but please stick with not actually sharing the photos that they're in or cropping them out. Photos are fine for attendees wearing purple lanyards and anyone wearing a staff lanyard. We don't have an official photographer this year, and we want you to share your photos with us. I would love to see PyOhio through your eyes. We'll be highlighting photos throughout and after the conference. There are multiple ways you can share them. There is a photos channel on the PyOhio Discord. You can post to Mastodon, LinkedIn, and Blue Sky with the hashtag PyOhio. And if you're not on Discord or social media, you can email photos@pyohio.org. Speaking of, PyOhio has a Discord server. You can join at pyohio.org/discord. Chat with other attendees and the PyOhio community during the conference and stay connected throughout the rest of the year. If you're looking for folks to eat with, there is a Let's Get Food channel where you can connect with other attendees also looking for a group. The official hashtag is #PyOhio. That's where we'll be looking for you to share your experiences. We are PyOhio on LinkedIn. We are PyOhio@fostodon.org on Mastodon, and PyOhio on Blue Sky. There are 3 types of events today. We have a keynote this afternoon, we have talks all day, and we have open spaces. We have an amazing keynote this afternoon presented by Leon. The keynote will be in Ballroom D, which is where you are now. We have 4 tracks of talks that are open to all attendees. They will be happening in ballrooms A through D. Check out the schedule to find the location of the talks that interest you. There will be no official Q&A after the talks, but don't let that stop you from coming up with questions. Most speakers will be available during the conference to answer questions outside the talk rooms, in the hallways, and around the conference. And if you miss a talk you're interested in, don't worry. Videos will be posted after the conference. Open spaces are a self-organizing meetup-like event that can happen throughout the conference. And this year we have 1 room available for open spaces, and that would be room 313. We are splitting the room into 2 sides, A and B, so plan on sharing the space with another group if you're hosting an open space. The sign-up sheet is located outside the open spaces room. Anyone attending can schedule an open space by writing the topic along with their name in a specified time block. It's very freeform. If you want to talk about something you're passionate about, chat with others about a topic, explore code, whatever it is you want to do, you can sign up to host an open space. Others who are interested in the same topic then have the opportunity to attend and join your discussion. If you see something that piques your interest, feel free to join anyone's open space. We will be providing light refreshments today. There will be coffee, tea, and ice water available throughout the day. It is behind registration out in the space over there called the Viking Lounge. I will show you where that is in just a moment. Here we are. So we are currently in Ballroom D. There are 3 other talk rooms, Ballrooms A, B, and C. Ballroom C is next to Ballroom D as you're leaving and heading back towards registration. A and B are down the corridor along the atrium and to the left. Coffee, tea, and ice water will be available in the Viking Lounge, which is behind registration, and during the conference. Open spaces will be in 313, which is down the corridor past the elevator and around the corner. Past the open spaces room, in room 315 is the speaker lounge and staff room, which is available to speakers. Restrooms are down the corridor and past the elevators. There is a water bottle filling station outside the restrooms if you are interested. There is an outdoor patio available off the Viking Lounge if you want to step outside at any point. And don't worry if you don't remember everything I covered here. There is a map of the conference space on the back of your program. PyOhio is run entirely by volunteers. We have 7 volunteer organizers who helped bring this whole thing together. And we're still looking for on-site volunteers to help out this weekend. If you're interested in helping out, please stop by registration and talk to Laura. We are in desperate need of a volunteer at 115 specifically in Ballroom A to act as a session chair. Session chairs introduce the speaker and help them keep on time. If you were going to go to that talk anyway, this is an opportunity to see it and help out at the conference. Please stop by registration and talk to Laura. She can explain to you exactly what goes into it and how to do it, and hopefully somebody will be able to help us out. I want to give a huge thank you to our platinum sponsor, Meta. Meta is committed to solving problems with and for the developer community using open source software. Their mission is to give people the power to build community and bring the world closer together. Python is the most used language at Meta. There are tens of thousands of people using Python every day there. Meta Open Source aims to empower diverse communities through open source technology. They are working on features like free threading in CPython and tools like Firefly, which is a next generation type checker and IDE extension for Python that works with many editors. They are excited to help improve the Python ecosystem with better tools and better runtime performance. You can find the Meta folks in the hallway, stop by and chat with them, ask any questions, or to pick up one of the shiny Firefly stickers. I want to say thank you to our fiscal sponsor, the Python Software Foundation. The mission of the PSF is to promote, protect, and advance the Python programming language, and to support and facilitate the growth of a diverse and international community of Python programmers. The majority of the PSF's work is focused around empowering and supporting people within the Python community. The PSF has active grant programs that support all kinds of Python development all over the world. In addition, they underwrite and run PyCon US. Being part of the PSF means being a part of the Python community. It is an open membership organization. Everyone who uses and supports Python can join. I want to say thank you to our bronze coffee sponsor, Intellivations. They have enabled us to be able to provide coffee and tea this weekend. Intellivations turns the world's weather data into actionable business intelligence. Their flagship platform, Forecast Watch, continuously ingests and verifies millions of forecasts from many providers, offering the industry's most trusted accuracy benchmarking and performance analytics and insights. I want to say a special thank you to our individual sponsors. These are folks who donated to PyOhio this year. So I would like another round of applause for our supporters. PyOhio remains a free conference thanks to the generosity of our business and individual sponsors. We are here today because of the financial support of the companies and individuals that I mentioned. We rely entirely on sponsorship and donations, which means we need sponsors to continue hosting PyOhio. To that end, we need your help. Please consider asking your employer or company to sponsor. We aren't able to find every opportunity out there, so your help with this is invaluable. We will have a prospectus for next year very soon, and you can provide it along with your request. If you have any questions or want help with how to approach this, please send an email to sponsorship@pyohio.org. I want to highlight our community partner, Black Python Devs. Black Python Devs is a community with a main mission of increasing the participation of Black Python developers in existing Python communities and programs, and to assist in launching new ones in Black communities where not currently present. This helps drive an impact through establishing guidance, mentorship, and career support for Black Pythonistas around the world, investing in local communities of Black Python devs, and increasing engagement of Black Python devs in existing communities, programs, events, and initiatives. Black Python devs and PyOhio are working together to build a sustainable community here in Ohio. You can also find the Black Python devs folks out in the hallway as well if you have any questions, want to grab a sticker, or just chat. Did you miss out on purchasing your PyOhio t-shirt before the conference? You are in luck. We still have t-shirts and zipper hoodies available for sale online. Part of the cost goes directly to support PyOhio, and this fundraiser ends in 3 days, so get them while you can. You can find them at custominc.com/fundraising/PyOhio. So welcome back to PyOhio 2025, and have a great day.